What's an insult you've received that you're proud of?
You've changed, and I've heard it multiple times. I think some of the daggers that hurt the most was from family and friends, that you've changed in a negative context. And so therefore I made them now uncomfortable and they don't want to hang around me or contact me or try to keep the relationship, which is unfortunate. But also it shows how far I've come and how much I've stood up to my healthy boundaries or sustained those healthy habits that now I don't fit in, maybe with the bar crowd anymore, or the people that, feel comfortable and happy and think it's fun to binge eat and feel like crap for 3 days. And knowing that, you kind of finally reflect on how far you've come because you don't see it day to day. So I think that's probably the proudest moment of the recovery is that I have changed.